to my YouTube channel, Precious Miranda Billy, and for today's vlog, I will be unboxing my new Asus Zenbook. It's my new Asus Zenbook because I'm gonna study again on August. So I need a new laptop, and this one is really thin and is really handy. So unlike with the other laptops, like it's really big one and so bulky to bring, but this one is so easy to put in a bag or in your normal handbag. So good. See? Here. So happy. Zenbook class environment. I'll show you closer. So this one, see how thin is it? It's really thin and it's so small. It's just like a notebook, a big school notebook. See? It's so small.
It's your laptop. It's like a book.
Yeah, but mom is just saying the size of this is, look, it's just the same as the notebook. So it's really thin and it's really handy and it's really nice. Look at that. So, can you open it? So, let's open it. So brand new. Yeah, it's really small. I like it big because it's so small.
I like a big laptop you have.
See, it is Zenbook series. So let's open it. See how thin it is. Because I told my husband that I really wanted a thin one and a smaller one because the previous one I have is quite big and heavy and it's so bulky. This one is really easy to put in your school bags, any kind of bag that you want to. Oh my god.
Mommy, why are you having a video?
It's really nice. I'm just sharing to them about my new laptop. It's iCore i3 and it's Asus Zenbook 14, fast and stable Asus Wi-Fi Master, up to 21 hour battery life, US military grade durability, fast face login with IR camera, TUV rain lens certified eye care, HDMI, Asus Zenbook 14. Look at that. I'll take a shot closer. See how thin it is. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Let's take a closer look with my very pretty laptop. So it shows all this. It's really nice. There is fast face login, like the Apple. Intel Core i3. And look at that Asus Zenbook. Look how thin it is. See that? It's so thin and pretty. So right now, let's take a look how does the charger of this new laptop looks like.
But I like this little laptop.
Yes. You like a bigger one? Mommy likes a small one, so it's easy to put in the bag. Look how small the charger is. So this one and this charger.
I like that big one.
Yeah, you like the big one? We still have the big one home. So it's really nice. So yeah, this is the unboxing and this is the manual for it, warranty card, and the user guide and warranty card in English, which is really nice. And I think that's it. I just need to buy a laptop bag for this, and it's really nice because it's so thin. Look at that, how thin it is. And the size of it is just like a size of a notepad. It's really nice, really easy to
Mommy, you're
put.
so small.
Yeah, Bessa. So it's like this. Oh my god, I'm so brown because it's summer. So I went to the beach, have some bathing now. So that's it for today. I'm just gonna show you guys my unboxing of my new Asus Zenbook 14. And so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Precious Miranda Billy, and leave a thumbs up. And please don't forget to click the bell notification button to be updated with my upcoming vlogs. Thank you and have a great day.